I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Can we make an omelet in the waffle maker? Yes, we can. Welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best omelet using a waffle maker. In the mixing bowl, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of flour, olive oil, mix well. So pretty much we're making a roux here. Now I'm gonna add the eggs and let's whisk everything. And the idea I'm adding the roux, it's to keep the omelet in a waffle shape, won't collapse or wrinkle. Salt, always salt and pepper to your taste. Milk, and let's whisk again. Perfect, ready to go. Now let's do some chopping. So I have here green onion, slice in half, then fine chop. Onion goes in, garlic, fine chop as well, broccoli, fine chop, broccoli all in, yam or sweet potato shredded. Perfect. Roughly about 1 cup. Orange zest. This recipe will make 3 8-inch omelet. Now let's mix everything together. And our mix, it's ready to go. Preheat your waffle maker. I always preheat it on max, and you can use either you brush it with butter, oil, or cooking spray. It would work. Try not to overfill the waffle maker, just enough to cover all the hole. Close and turn for about 3.5 to 4 minutes. Look at this beautiful omelet. Actually, I'm impressed with the result. All the vegetable perfectly cooked inside. The flavor is unbelievable, and you don't need fork or knife. You just stir and enjoy. So I guess he's busy destroying this omelet, so let's leave him alone. Let's go like, subscribe, share, and we'll see him next time.